everyone, how's it going? I'm in biology lab and I'd like you to meet someone. Oh yeah, meet Mr. Skeleton. So our today's topic is movement system, and in this topic we got two subtopics, which are the skeletal system. I don't know why he's looking that way, doesn't matter. And second one is muscular system. First we are going to talk about the skeletal system, okay? Well, enough for that. Okay, skeleton, which is located inside our body, is our passive movement apparatus. Why passive? Because actually it's not the skeleton that moves and do the movement, but actually the one that causes the movement is our muscles, okay? The muscles. And since the skeleton is located inside our body, we call this as endoskeleton, okay? Endo, inside, skeleton, yeah, it's skeleton located inside. So we are absolutely different compared to those creatures which got exoskeleton, skeleton located outside of the body. I got an example. Here it is. Wow, this is what's left of a horseshoe crab, and this is strong enough relatively, and this protects the horseshoe crab, and it's located outside. So inside it's like this, it's gone already. What's inside? Yeah, so this is exoskeleton, but what we have is an endoskeleton. In our skeleton as a whole, we got 206 bones, okay? In one skeleton we got 206 bones. It's now what? Actually, that number 206 bones is found in adult humans, okay? Like me, okay? But when we were still very young, when I was a newborn baby, there were way more of that 206. In babies, in newborn babies, there are about 300 bones. Okay, one thing that when we talk about the skeletal, the movement system, the skeletal system, we can differentiate the components into two: bones itself and cartilages, okay? Bones and cartilages. And the difference between the babies, the very young humans, compared to adults, one of them is that in babies, what's found more is the cartilages. So the 300 something bones consist of mostly cartilages, okay? And as they grow and grow older and older, the cartilages will undergo this process called ossification. Ossification is bone formation, okay? Bone formation. And in this process, the cartilages are like fused together, many become one, and so on and so forth. That's why from 300 something it reduced into 206. Well, I am in a hole. Oh, yeah. Okay. So let's learn more about these 206 bones, more or less. Okay, so I really don't want to force you to memorize all the names of the bones. It's like this is the cranium, okay? We get the maxilla, mandible, okay? We got the clavicle, we got the costal, or ribs. We also got the sternum, we got the humerus, radius, ulna, okay, a carpal, metacarpal digits. Let me move this away. Okay, and then we got the vertebrae, we got the pelvic girdle, consists of several bones. We also got this, the biggest, heaviest bone in our body, which is the femur, okay, thigh bone. And we got this patella, okay. Actually the position is not really like this, but forgive us. Okay, tibia, fibula, tarsal, metatarsal, and digits, tarsal, metatarsal, phalanges. Okay, so I don't want to again instruct you to memorize all those teeth, okay, nose, whatever. Now what I want to talk about right now is that the bones can be classified into groups based on the shape. Based on the shape, bones are classified into, first, let's see, flat bones. Flat bones, okay. Flat bones are bones that flat. You know what flat is, right? Example, here, the sternum. Okay, the sternum is flat, even though it's long, but it's flat. Okay, and actually the costals are also included into flat bones. Okay, flat bones. These are flat bones, including this cranium. Yeah, these bones are flat. Okay, flat bones. Next, I'm going to talk about the long bones. Okay, long bones. This is obvious that this one is long. Okay, this one is long. This one is long. Long bones. Humerus, radius, ulna are long bones. This, the biggest, largest, heaviest, longest, definitely is a long bone. Okay, and finger, the phalanges, also included into long bones. Actually, it's, even though they are short, but they are included into long bones because of the comparison between the length and the width. Okay, what included into the other group, which is the short bones, are this carpals. So they are considered short because the comparison, the ratio between the length and width is more or less similar. Okay, and tarsal, carpal and tarsal, these are short bones. And do not understand this incorrectly, because some sources would say that the vertebrae is also included into short bones because they are short. No way, no way. They are not included into short bones, okay? They are included into irregular bones. Irregular bones. Why? Because there are actually 33 bones in our vertebrae, from this point, from the eightless bone until this very end. Yeah, okay, so there are 33, and if you learn more about this part, you will learn that the shape of each and every bone in our vertebrae, they are different. Yeah, they're different. So irregular. Again, we got the flat bones, we got the long bones, we got the short bones, and we got also the irregular bone. Okay. Poor guy. Now let's talk about the types of joints that we have. What kind of joints do we have in our body, Mrs. Skeleton? Do you know? Silence. Okay, so our head can be turned like this. Turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right. according to him, it's a skeleton. Okay, why? Because we have here a joint called pivot joint. Okay, pivot joint. Here at the shoulder, you know, you can try it right now to move your arms. You can move the arm, one arm of you, for example. You try now, and then you will feel, you realize, you know that you can move your arms any way you want. I mean, it's not really limited, it's quite free. Okay, why? Because this joint enables such movement, free movement, and this is what we call the ball and socket joint. Okay, ball and socket joint, also found here, okay, in our hips. Now this part, let me hold this. I hope this works. Okay. Oh, sorry. Whatever. So look at my arm. I can do this. It's like a hinge of a door with, sorry, allow a door to be moved like that. Yeah, since it works just like a hinge of a door, then this part, this joint is called hinge joint. Okay, now what else? Okay, take a look at this. Okay, now here, this is the hand of Mr. Skeleton, and I'm going to take this off. Hopefully I can do that with one hand because my other hand is okay. So this is the hand. This is the thumb, little finger, middle finger, and so on. Carpal, metacarpal, and phalanges. Okay. So another type of joint is the saddle joint. Saddle joint. It's actually here. Okay. Here. Yeah. Carpal, metacarpal. Carpal, metacarpal. Yeah, that's the saddle joint. Okay. Last but not least, we have this kind of joint called the gliding joints. Okay, located here among the carpals. It moves. They are just gliding, yeah, on each other. So those were the 5 types of joints. Well, I guess that's all for now about the skeletal system. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I really hope that this video and more to come videos useful for all of you. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye. Strong.